The numbers are in for the fourth quarter, and that puts a wrap on 2025 as well. Today, we're looking at the real estate market in South Beach, specifically single family homes. We're gonna run through a few graphs, and on this first one, here are the numbers for the fourth quarter, comparing it to the previous 3 quarters to see if we can spot any trends. And look at this, actives are up from the previous 2 quarters, but just about the same as the first, while closed sales are down to the lowest level of the year, thus causing months of supply and days on market to remain high, as you can see here. Interestingly enough, look at pricing. Pricing seems to be holding. We're now going to look at the totals for 2025. There was only 40 closed sales for the year, 22 of which were Waterfront. Days on market is at 97 and 105. Look at the median price per square foot and median price sold. Look how high they are in South Beach. $1,300 per square foot for non-waterfront, over $3,000 per square foot for waterfront. That means those days on market are pretty good. We like to show you a breakdown of the price ranges where the closed sales took place. And look at this. Can't get a house for under $1 million in South Beach, but then above in all other price ranges, 1, 3, 3 to 5, look at that. The sales are spread out pretty evenly. It was very interesting to see that out of the 22 waterfront closed sales, 16 of them were at 10 million and up, and half of those were at 20 million plus, only in South Beach. Now that we've seen the totals for 2025, we're gonna put these up and compare them to the previous 2 years to really give us some context for these numbers. And look at that, the number of sales, pretty much exactly the same. That's pretty incredible. This is one thing that we like to see, which gives us an indication as to where the market is headed. Look at the pricing. Pricing seems to be edging up slightly. Median price per square foot and median price sold. However, days on market has been slightly increasing, especially for non-waterfront homes. So overall, for 2025, for single family homes in South Beach, the numbers look good. One concern that we did see is there was a big slowdown in the number of sales for the fourth quarter. So we'll keep our eyes on that moving forward. But overall, numbers look good. As I start my 20th year in the Miami real estate market, I can proudly say that our goal in making these videos is to provide you with real market data to give you a better insight into the local market. The buying and selling of a home is one of the largest financial transactions of your life. So please make sure to work with a professional that can guide you through. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.